Once upon a time there lived a little girl and a mummy and daddy. They lived in a house. Sometimes there were men that turned up.
Shut up.
What do you think you're
Sit
doing?
down.
Shut
Didn't
up.
you hear what I said?
Please stop, please.
Don't you remember what happened last time?
Mummy, why is this happening?
Get up.
Please.
Stay there.
Mummy.
Stop crying.
Mummy. Didn't know why, but now I do.
It'll be our little secret.